If you would like to receive all of my notifications, click the bell beside the subscribe button.
Move along to these lashes. I have not put on lashes in almost a year. I think it was a year, you know, and I've never put on in this strip lash. I always put on individual, like where you take it and you put like little pieces on your eyelashes. So this is going to be interesting to do because I don't know how to do it at all. Never have I put on an individual lash. Come on, out of there. Alright, so I got my tweezers and I'm going to just peel this bad boy off. I'm going to peel it off. Come on. And I'm going to, I think it goes this way, actually. Why is it bent that way? Okay, but anyway, I think it goes on your eye like this. Okay, so I got hair glue. This already sounds like a bad idea, but it is technically hair, so it's cool, right? I'm gonna put a little bit of hair glue on this little board that I got my stocking cap off of. I know some of you ladies are like, man, she about to mess up. I am. And I'm gonna dip that bad boy in here like this. Wait, let's put it on the tip and dip it in there. And boom, we got some on there. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna drop it on my eyelash. Oh wait, maybe I should have combed my eyelashes out a little bit. I mean, is this what this for? Who knows? Alright, so I'm gonna drop this. Wait. Yeah, that's the right way. No. That can't be the right way. Oh, I'm pretty sure if I clean it up, it'll look right, right? And I'm gonna squeeze it into my hairs. And it just rubs off your skin, so if you get any on your eyelash, just wipe it off. That must be a mole. Oh, it is. I thought that was glue. Okay, so I got one lash on. And I don't like long lashes. I just like for them to look a little full, you know, a little dolled up. Anywho, on to the next one. I'm gonna peel this bad boy off. Uh-oh. dip it in there like we did the last one. Boop, boop, boop. Wipe off any that has too much in another spot. There we go. That's the next one. Oh wait, I missed a spot. Let's do the next one. Oh wait, let's comb out my lashes again. You don't got nothing? Did I do that right? I doubt it. I really messed that one up, didn't I? This is why I do individuals. Look at how my eyelash look. A hot mess, don't it? I did a good job of doing. That one looks good, but this one looks tall up. We'll have to try that one again. Trying to get rid of some of that glue. Yep, came off. Let's try this one more time. With these lashes, and I'm gonna give up. Oh, well that was easy that time around. Not half bad. Got way too much glue on this one. This one doesn't look too bad. This one might be too bad, but hey, it's my first time doing this. I say, with the practice, I'll get better. But personally, I like individuals. Alright, so I did my eyebrows a little bit. I did my lashes. Okay, we're gonna take some alcohol and get rid of this little eczema I got. You know. During the winter time, it gets really, really bad around my nose. It just gets like overcaked and stuff. Doesn't matter how much times you wash it. The minute you go outside in the cold, it's just, ugh. That's a little better.